Creativity comes in waves. Some seasons feel inspired, others feel heavy. I love creating visuals, but some days the passion just isn't there. I've been overwhelmed, working full-time, shooting projects for clients, trying to be present as a husband and a father.
Flip it around the other way.
It's all starting to feel discouraging. Now, the way I shoot today, thousands of digital frames, endless editing options, endless tweaks, it's been burning me out. I felt like I needed to slow down and reconnect with the process again. Not perfectionism, just the process. That's when I decided to shoot medium format. Wow. Now, I've known about medium format for a long time, but for whatever reason, I never paid real attention to it. I always told myself one day, and that day finally came. I picked up two cameras, the Mamiya RB67, the classic, and the Mamiya 645 AFD. The RB67 is a beast, all mechanical, beautifully made, and heavy. It's slow, intentional, and perfect for studio work. I bought mine from Japan with a 90mm lens. The waist level viewfinder looks incredible, but I couldn't nail focus to save my life, so I upgraded to the prism finder, added a side handle, slapped on a tiny Kex light meter, and now I'm in love. It shoots 6x7 negatives, so you only get about 10 frames per roll, which forces you to think, but it's such a beautiful camera, and the images speak for themselves. For this fashion shoot, I worked with this amazing model named Val, and I wanted to test both cameras on a real shoot. I tried to shoot as much film as possible, but of course I shot some digital as a backup, especially after losing a whole roll from loading the RB67 wrong.
Oh, come on. Fuck.
But shooting film brought me back to why I love photography in the first place. The second camera I bought was the Mamiya 645 AFD with the 80mm 2.8 lens. I mainly bought this camera for the functionality, autofocus, aperture priority, and auto exposure, something I could capture my son running around and actually keep him in focus. Also great when I'm shooting fashion and I want to shoot fast and not slow down so much. This camera shoots a 6x4.5 negative, so you get about 16 frames per roll. Shooting with the RB67 and the Mamiya 645 Made me realize why I love film so much. The tones, the grains, the way that color shifts when you over or underexposure. It all made me excited again. I spent years trying to get my digital files to look like film. At this point, I might as well just shoot the real thing. Now, there were definitely some growing pains, misloading film, fumbling through settings, second-guessing exposures. I'm still learning how to shoot 120, how to get it developed, how to scan at home using my Canon R5C and a 100mm macro lens. I'm still figuring out Negative Lab Pro and dialing in my settings. I'm failing, learning, and honestly enjoying being a beginner again, and really sucking at a lot of this stuff. So is film going to magically fix creative burnout? Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. Film fixes all problems. No, I'm just kidding. But it has helped me find some excitement again. Now, I think there are two types of creatives. There are people that obsess over the story and people that obsess with gear and new equipment. Now, I personally bounce between both. I definitely spend way too much money on equipment. Don't be like me. But I do think you should find a way to reconnect with your creativity, whether that's trying something new or stepping back or giving yourself space or creating a YouTube channel, whatever you feel to express yourself in a little bit better way, especially when you're having creative burnout. Now, that's all I got. I'm on a film journey right now. Stay posted for new work and new experiences. And until next time, peace.